how can we engage with you? In fact, we believe that your engagements with us should be able to be transformational for you. Our engagement should both inform as well as transform. When we think about engagements, we have a number of coaching engagements where primarily we can do one-to-one coaching, group coaching, or coaching with clients and critical stakeholders. A lot of what we do also focuses on expert facilitation, right? And that facilitation is around workshops. These workshops are primarily experiences, very little or zero PowerPoint, most of it driven as a workshop that people can learn. These workshops even leverage peer coaching. And we also look at how do we exercise the left side and the right side of the brain. The right side of the brain is exercised through the use of the arts. We go ahead and use music and dance to go ahead and get the right side of the brain to get fired so that leaders can go ahead and tap into their enormous emotional resource, which are called archetypes. They can tap into their archetypes to unleash the heroes within. It is this combination of coaching, combination of expert facilitation, combination of a variety of different experiences, peer coaching, sometimes looking at also cultural integration, making sure there are different cultures in every engagement, makes it very, very rich, informative, and differentiated to the experiences we can create along with you. In fact, clients who have worked with us credit us for making sure their leaders get transformed. They credit us for creating experiences that are new and innovative. They credit us for getting their people motivated to change and play at a much higher level, which is what we want to do with you.